What's up, everybody? Alex O Crypto, and what a freaky week that was. Holy smokes, with all this price action coming in. You know, I hope you all got your advent calendars and you're eating the chocolate and dealing with the feels, because we've had a bunch of scam wicks. We've been up and down and then sideways. But together, my otters, my friends, together, let's hold hands to get through rough waters together, right? And if you're new here, you know, I'm just telling you, before crypto, you sleep like an angel. But when you go to bed and you got to trade and you got a stop loss and you don't know where to put it because you want to stay in the trade and you're sure price is going to go down, but there's going to be a scam wick. There's going to be. And you can't sleep. This is after crypto. So let's get into the charts. How are we all doing? How was your week? I hope you're well. Don't forget to like and comment and share and subscribe, all that good stuff, because I haven't said it in the past videos and I'm sure it's hurt me because I know that it helps. So I'm going to say it now. Please help us out. Let's look at the volume profile. We're going to go through all the time frames and everything. Okay, we're at the volume area high, right? We've been in this range for quite some time. I must say we dropped down after the SBF news, and now we're here. And what are we looking to do? What are we looking for? Because we got news after news after news. Well, we got some red X's here, so this could bring us back down to the point of control like we were talking about. So let's throw up some of our TA and have a little look, see. Whoa, that's a lot of orange lines. Support and resistance. We got the previous low up top here coming in at 18,153. Now that is from back here. You got bing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 touches on that as the low in the last range of price. Now, that's where we think price is going to go. Now, I'm going to share something with you guys that's a little special. I've been thinking about this for a while. But right now, we've come up very nicely, right? We finally got up to this value area high. We were right along this POC sideways, right? For quite a while. So we've got up here and we've gotten news. We've gotten news, we've gotten news, and we've gotten news. And holy smokes, was this a tough week. It was tough. So if you've made it this far in this video, I'm proud of you. And through this week, and you've stuck around, and you've taken some losses, because I have. And I've taken some wins, which have been nice. But with good risk management, we can get through this. We can be profitable traders, and we can analyze these charts. Now, what am I looking for now? What am I looking for? Because this has been a freak week and we've gotten bullish news. We've gotten bearish news. What am I looking for? Well, I'll tell you, my fellow otters, we're going to get through this. So we're going to go down into this 24 minute. It's kind of weird, right? 24 minutes. But this range is so tight that you don't really need to be on anything else because it's just going to be all in here. You know, we can draw a TA all we want, but we got to respect the levels until the levels say otherwise, right? That's the plan here. So I have some ideas and I want to share them with you. So I'm going to give you my areas. Don't forget, these are areas, right? I gave this area, I gave a setup earlier in Frankie Candle's Discord. God bless, and I love all of you guys in there. You know, amazing Discord. But I gave a trade earlier today, and I took it, and it's been juicy so far, right? So what happened today was that we had this news come out. I believe it was, what was it? Today it was unemployment. Unemployment said, hey, we're unemployed. We're going to do this to us, right? Now, I had this level marked out on my chart, but guess what? I was sleeping. You guys were awake. You North Americans were awake, or you UK people, you Brits, you were awake. You Europeans were awake. In Australia, we weren't awake. So I was ready for this, but I didn't trade it, right? So I woke up around here. I'm like, damn, what do we got? So we pull the fibs, right? Pull the fibs. That's what we do. We pull fibs, right? We pull the fibs from up here. And we pull it down to here. What do we got? Bada bing. Golden pocket. Confluence, right? Along with her, what? What is that? Is that a value area high right there? Oh, yeah, that is. Look at you. So what did we do? We got in. We had our level set. We showed the trade in the Discord. And guess what? It came up. And you know what it does? I'm going to go into the 8-minute now so we can get a little bit more personal. A little bit more personal. And what does it do? It makes you believe, right? That maybe this is what price always does. It makes you believe that, hey, look, maybe if we go here, it's going to go from this top down to this low, and it might just come in here, right? But no, it waits, and it waits, and it makes you wait, and it makes you wait. And this is where patience comes in handy, and knowing your levels and being okay if you miss the trade. And then what happens? Zoop, zoop, we'll call it a zoop, right? And it bounces up, and it taps that beautiful value area high, and we short it, right? And I set this up. I was like, all right, guys, bang, this is the trade here, right? This is the trade. Now, if we zoom out a bit. Now, this can bring us all the way back down point of control, if I'm going to be fair, right? This can bring us all the way back down here. This can be a beautiful, juicy trade, right? Very, very, very nice trade, right? So I'm in this trade right now. It's going all right. We've come straight down to this first level of resistance that I have marked out on my chart. Now, how did I get this level? Oh, guess what? Mr. Fibonacci. I pulled Mr. Fibonacci up to here, and we got confluence again. Oh my God, it stopped, right? And we're getting some bull divvies right now. Some bull divvies, right? Because we had beautiful, beautiful bear divvies here. Oh, it's not on this minute chart. But then right here, I think it's on the 6. Was it on the 6? Anyways, we had bear divvies here. And now we're getting bull divvies down here on this trade. So we could be coming back up. We could be coming back up for a retrace. Now, if we do retrace, where would I be looking to add to my short? I will be looking to add to my short. I pull the fibs, and I will look to be adding to my short right here, right? That's where I'll be looking to add to my short, in this area here. I will make it smaller, but this will be my area to add to my short. That's my thinking, right? But I expect this to go lower. How low? Down to the point of control. So I'm going to back that up. I'm going to back this up. This could give us some relief here, right? Just from a little bull divs, right? But where do I expect this to go? I expect it to come back down to my point of control. Now, that would be a very, very nice, juicy trade, right? That would be a nice, juicy trade. But what else am I expecting? Because right now, I think a lot of us are kind of bullish, right? So what am I expecting this weekend? Well, I expect a lot of this weekend. Sideways action. And you know what? I found that Saturdays were slow. I just had my Saturday in Australia. So I'm going to have your Saturday with you tomorrow when it's my Sunday. If that was confusing, hit the like button. But we're going to come down, I believe, because we're in this trend. We're going to take profit along the way, but we're also going to be ready for a longer term confluence with bull divs at one of these areas, right? So I'm going to give you these areas. We got this area here. We got this area here. And we got this area here. Now, I showed you how I pulled these areas, and that's all with confluence, with golden pockets, with volume profiles. If you turn on the VRVP in this area, we got a couple of nice volume profiles. We got a big, juicy area here that we will move quite swiftly through, quite swiftly. So, my plan right now, I'm looking at these charts. I'm expecting more downside, right? Because I expect a retrace from down from these lows. I don't expect a retrace from up here. I expect this. I expect I expect up, down, and up again. 3-wave structure, right? ABC. That's what I expect. Now, am I ready to trade anything that comes at me, right? Yes, I am. Stop losses, risk management, a little bit of courage, and understanding the market sentiment. Market makers want to come up to these previous lows and get these guys out of their shorts that they've been holding on to for so long, right? Riding it down, right? They want to get these guys. But also they want to get this big news pump. I think this news pump, if we pull volume here, we can see that there's gaps here that need to be filled, you know? So hopefully some more downside. Now, if we do go to the upside, my whole thing is this red bar here. This is my timeline. So on December 14th, we have a report coming in. It will be the interest rate report. This is this red bar. We are getting closer and closer and closer to it. And I am calling it now that I know that it was said that it's going to be 0.5 basis points. It's dovish news. I'm expecting dovish news. So I'm expecting us to be setting up for this date in order to pump the price. Okay? What's my expectation? My expectation of this pump is to come up to these previous range and head up into here like we were trading before for so long. But what do we have stopping us, right? We have this big volume node. I know I'm like Etch-a-Sketch tonight. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm excited. I'm in a good trade right now. I've actually had some good profits today. So it's about having those levels, being ready to trade, sharing it with the group, community, love, patience, all that stuff. Together, we can take some money out of these markets. So don't forget, friends, every day I'm here trying to give you all I have, all my knowledge for free. So God bless you all. Have a great weekend. I love you. Smash the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right? Take care.